I'm sitting in the Buffalo Wild Wings parking lot where they're doing a all-you-can-eat wings and fries for $20. All-you-can-eat wings and fries for $20. So I'm going to see how many wings I can eat and how many fries I can eat. Are they going to be all blazing? Am I just going to do honey barbecue, you know, some spicy? You never know. You never know. But before we get into the video, I need y'all to like, comment, and subscribe, and go check out the new Cozy drop. We just dropped some new hats, shirts, crew necks, hoodies. So you can go to www.cozydaysclothing.com, and like always, go follow the Instagram. Just did a photo shoot, and that's why I'm not wearing the shirt in this video, because those clothes are in the wash or in my hamper, you know, because I gotta wash my clothes. Not trying to wear them too many days in a row, because that's one, nasty, and two, that's just not what I like to do. But as
a young player, to be able to draw that many walks, and if he sidesteps, you're in trouble.
How does that slide step affect the delivery of the pitch? Because it's, you know, repeat.
And then there's that. He set up, but then he needed to lower the sights.
And the Browns got a good play on.
It's a bad news one.
Check the radar.
The Honda selection is here. Get your new Honda with 1.9% when you research your local Honda dealer today.
so I ended up tapping out at 16. Bro, I'm so cooked. Luckily, he gave me the to-go container. So clutch. Got my lunch for tomorrow. Dinner for tonight. It's definitely worth it. It's definitely a good deal. I am stuffed. Pause. No diddy. No diddy. No diddy. No diddy. Is it a good deal? Yeah, for sure. It's all you can eat. Boneless wings and fries for $20. It ended up being $21.67. And then of course you gotta tip your server. Don't be that guy. Yeah, definitely worth it. They were good. And make sure you ask your server for a to-go container. That makes it worth it, 100% worth it. If you could get a to-go container.